Tuesday, sponsored by Blue Layer Innovative Technology Solutions.
You know, bipartisan legislation is in the works to study more about artificial intelligence and its role in Texas business. Our Jake Eichstadt spoke with the folks at an oil company who've used this technology for years to see how it's affected business and production.
Labor, and it's not the physical labor they're wanting to get away from, it's the safety factor, and as we were talking, the precision of it. A machinery, a robot, all of that can do so much more at higher precision than a human.
Kevin Slater of Slater Products says robotics and computers have helped his business and have helped the industry since the 1980s. A job that used to be for a person is being done by a computer.
Now, instead of a guy physically, or a person physically controlling a part, a valve, they're turning it over to a computer, which is then telling something else to move it to this position, opening or closing it. But it's the same thing with drilling rigs.
He says that doesn't mean jobs are being taken away, but instead are changing.
We just didn't need as many operators now. So did that mean we destroyed operators' jobs? No, it mean that position was going to change. You're no longer an operator. We're going to have to change you into an instrument technician, an automation technician. So because those devices are going to break, they are going to fail, and we need somebody that can tell us when that fell, why that fell, and how it can get back up running.
That is common for all sectors of business, says Representative Will Hurd of Texas.
It's going to make us more efficient. And so if we increase efficiency, then we'll be able to use, our time for more productive efforts. And that, if you know that your success rate of drilling a hole can be improved, then that means you're going to have a better impact on our economy, on your own salary. Some folks think of AI as robots coming over and taking over the world. But AI really is a tool that's going to make everybody more efficient.
All right, Jake Eichstadt reporting. Change is coming. Hey, more of the major college conferences decide to postpone the football season, but not the Big 12. David talks about what this might look like for Tech after Lance gives us another look at those storms.
Well, we've got these storms again on the north.